Welcome, Cohen families and students. Mr. Miss Brenner, principal at the William S. Cohen School. Hope you had a wonderful summer, and we're very excited to have you back here at school. An important date to remember for our 6th grade students and families is our grade 6 orientation coming up this week, Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Rotano. I'm the assistant principal here at the William S. Cohen School. I'd also like to share with you all for our 7th and 8th graders, there will be an open house on Tuesday, September 8th from 6 to 7 p.m. We look forward to seeing you then.
And finally, the first day of school is Tuesday, September 1st. We're really excited to greet you on the first day of school. Enjoy the remaining days of summer.